Hey loves, welcome to my channel. It's your girl ChrissyTCreates, and I'm going to show you how to go from this to this effortless 15-minute slay. So let's get it started. So honey, I am showing you flaws and alls right now, okay? We're going to start off with some primer on the face. The face is already freshly washed and moisturized. And now we're going to put some concealer on, acne scars and my non-existent eyebrows. And I am using LA Girl Concealer. Now I am using E.l.f's or E.l.f, whatever y'all want to call it, child, brow pencil. And one thing I learned as a makeup artist is your eyebrows should be fraternal twins and not identical, okay? So for all of y'all out there, when y'all doing your eyebrows and you're trying to match them up perfectly, don't try to go for the most perfect eyebrows. It's okay if they are slightly different, because if you look at your natural eyebrow shape, I guarantee that they are slightly different. So yes, I always make sure to go the actual shape of my brow and not try to make them all matchy. And right now I'm just, getting the front part of the eyebrows together using my spoolie to make it look a little bit more realistic. I like my brows to look as natural as possible. So yeah, we just making sure those eyebrows are looking nice and clear. So now we're just cleaning up the brow area, adding concealer underneath and over top of the shape of the brows, just to make sure that they are nice and clean. Yes, baby, I don't play about my brows. I always get compliments on my brows. So I always have to make sure, even in the most simplest makeup routine, that my brows are on point. Okay, we're just gonna blend that out. So the brows are on point and blended. Next, I am using NYX Concealer Serum. Y'all, when I tell y'all I am obsessed with this has been my, I guess you would say it's a light foundation or light coverage. I've been using it all this summer. I'm obsessed with it because it's so light, and I have oily skin or combination skin, and it still has the ability to not get too oily even after hours of wearing it. It has great coverage, especially since I have been dealing with hormonal acne lately. So it's been covering my acne scars very well. So I am obsessed with it. And right now I am adding blush on my skin using E.l.f. Mostly everything in this tutorial today is drugstore brands. Yes, right there, that is Revlon. I'm using on my lashes, keeping it simple. We are not putting on fake lashes today, honey. We are embracing our most natural beauty, even with makeup on. Okay, so next I have NYX Born to Glow. When I tell y'all I'm obsessed with this too, I loves me a good highlighter. Yes, it's giving bronzed goddess. It's giving golden lady, I just love it. Next, we're just going to set the eyes and the T-zone area with a little bit of powder, because your girl does have that combination oily skin, and I cannot stand to get oil on my face, even though it's, it's inevitable, but at least it helps. Just adding a little bit of a cat eye. Once again, it's NYX. Clearly, I'm a NYX girl. I love a simple cat eye. I think it just kind of brings your canvas together and outlines, your natural, beautiful eyes. So I've really been getting into cat eyes lately. Depending on the event, I might go a little bit more dramatic, but we're going to keep it simple today. And look at me. I'm irritated because I done messed up on one of my eyes, but it's okay. Nothing that a little concealer can't fix. So I'm just going to break out that LA Girl one more time, and we just going to make it do what it do. Little cleanup. Okay, so we are just simply cleaning up that eye area so that we can move on to the next part, which is our finishing spray, because we are done with the face. Quick and easy. All right, let's bust down this hair real quick. All right, so we spritzing this hair down with water because, honey, it has not been washed and I don't feel like combing it. So we just gonna brush it up into a quick bun. Okay, so I have my Eco Styler I'm breaking out, and we're gonna gel this hair on down. All right, just gel and water. That's it. That's all. I don't have time for anything else because I'm a little lazy when it comes to my natural hair. I'm not even gonna lie. So we're gonna brush it up and get those waves popping 10. Securing the ponytail, making sure it's nice and not too tight because I don't like headaches from, ponytails and buns and things. So we're just gonna make sure that it is secured as much as possible. And then we're going to just do a 2-strand twist to tie it up into a, little twist bun. And then I have this old clip-on ponytail, right? That I still like to break out from time to time. But you know what I said? I'm just going to throw this on and I'm going to make it into a bun today. Something simple. And right now I'm just trying to figure out which way am I going to lay this bun, because it is not cooperating. And it's giving I Dream of Jeannie. Yes, honey. So we are just going to secure the bun with as many bobby pins as possible. Because like I said, this look was meant to be quick. And I think I completed it within 15 minutes. I mean, hair and makeup together was a total of 15 minutes. I do not play, y'all, when it comes to a simple makeup routine. As I've gotten older, y'all, I have learned to simplify my routines down to minutes, okay? I'm a performer, so I'm always wearing makeup, always wearing full coverage, full face makeup. But in everyday life, you usually see me barefaced, or you usually see me with a very simple face and hair. Just a few more bobby pins just to make sure it is secure, it is in place, it's not going anywhere. Yes, honey, she is ready. She has arrived and she is sitting in that natural sunlight looking like that bronzed goddess, ready for a quick photo shoot. So let's see how it goes. And don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Thanks for watching, y'all. Make sure you subscribe.